Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to go over the process of how to turn off the ambient light detection on your Sony television. We've got an X950G here as the example, and turning this off is really going to prevent your screen from kind of flickering if there's light fluctuation in your room. So it is something that can get a little annoying if you have it going on constantly, and we get a lot of comments asking how to turn this off, so we're going to show you how. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the little gear icon on your remote. It's going to bring up a menu. Now this is the X950G like I mentioned before, so it has a slightly different interface than some of the other Sony TVs out there. Basically you want to get to where it says settings, and you're going to hit your enter button, which is generally the middle button of your directional pad. And now we're going to go down to display and sound and hit enter again. And our first option is picture, so we're going to hit enter when we're on picture. And within there we're going to have the option to go down to light sensor. Now this is it's off right now, so we're not going to have that fluctuation. So once you turn it on, now this is going to adjust the picture brightness based on the ambient light in the room. We want to turn that off because we don't want it to flicker as the ambient light changes. So you're going to hit enter until that little dot is to the left and not highlighted blue, as you can see here. So we'll turn that off. And that's how you turn off the ambient light detection. It's going to stop your screen from flickering when the light changes inside of your room. Thanks as always for watching. We really do appreciate it. And don't forget to check out some of our other how-to videos and product reviews. We've got plenty of them for you. And we'll see you in the next one.